Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So I started gardening few months back and I was looking for a website to purchase gardening related products at affordable price. So I found the Affordable Organic Store website. As the name suggests, they have almost all kind of products related to gardening at very reasonable prices. They have vegetable seeds, flower seeds, herb seeds, soil mix, compost, perlite, gardening tools and so many other products. So I purchased some things and now I'm going to show you all the products, and also there is a giveaway at the end of this video, so don't miss it. This is how I received my products. The packaging was good. It's a seedling tray. It has 4 holes and the price is 20 rupees. This one is perlite. It has 100 grams of product and the price is 49 rupees. This one is Epsom salt. It contains 250 grams of product and the price is 50 rupees. I bought 2 bottles of neem oil, 30 ml each, and the price is 29 rupees each. Now here are the seeds, very nicely packaged. I got 3 types of flower seeds and 1 vegetable seed. The prices are from 10 to 20 rupees, which is very affordable. You can always contact them on Facebook, Instagram or YouTube. They will give you tips and help you to grow your seeds. Now coming to the giveaway part, the owner of the website was kind enough to sponsor a giveaway for you all, and thank you so much for that. There will be 2 winners. Each winner will get a coupon of 250 rupees and you will be able to buy anything from their website and with free shipping. There are some giveaway rules. I will mention the rules in my description box and in the comment section. This giveaway is only for Indian residents. I will announce the winners after 10 days. So I will wait for your entries. All the best to you all. That's all for today's video. Have a lovely day. Bye.